Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox while live on Zepeto. To begin, you will absolutely need two distinct devices. One device, perhaps your smartphone or tablet, will host your Zepeto live stream. The second device, which could be another phone or a computer, will be solely dedicated to playing Roblox. Make sure both devices are connected to a very strong and stable internet source before you start anything. First, take your primary streaming device and open the Zepeto application. Once inside the app, locate and tap on the option to start a live stream. Before going live, take a moment to carefully adjust your camera and microphone settings. You want to ensure your voice is clear and your video is bright, offering the best possible experience for your viewers. Once everything looks good, confidently hit that Go Live button. Now, grab your secondary gaming device and launch the Roblox application. Feel free to join any of your favorite Roblox games or explore a new experience. This is where it gets clever. Carefully position your secondary device so its screen is clearly visible to your primary device's camera. You may need to adjust the angle of your primary device slightly, ensuring it captures both you and the exciting Roblox gameplay. To truly enhance your viewers' experience, focus on crystal-clear audio from your primary device. This allows for easy communication with your audience. A small stand or a flexible tripod for your secondary device can work wonders, keeping the Roblox screen steady and visible. Make sure to frequently check and interact with your Zepeto chat, acknowledging comments. Always adjust your lighting to ensure both your face and the Roblox action are perfectly illuminated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.